Hi guys, this is Nishant from Simply Interiors. We are currently in Bangalore in a 3 BHK which we have just finished for our NRI customer. This house has several things which I really like. While it's a very simple laminate finish, nothing very extraordinary in that, but the kind of laminates and all that have been selected are amazing. Okay, so I really look forward to taking you around. Now a little bit of feedback. The customer is right now not in Bangalore. He is in the US. They plan to shift in after around 3 years or so, and want to get some extra work done once their plan is finalized and all. So currently for the first 2 or 3 years they plan to give the place on rent. So the work has been done based on that, and places have been left empty. For example, the entire living room and all have been left empty, so that the interiors can be done once they are planning to move in. So I hope you like this walkthrough. So currently we are in the living room. Okay, this is, like I said, this is completely empty. There's nothing here which we've done. This is in Whitefield. This is Prestige property in Whitefield which we've done. Okay, so I'll first take you. So this is one guest bedroom which I'll take you towards the end. We'll first move to the kitchen. So this is a parallel kitchen, as you can see, and it's a very typical Prestige layout of a kitchen wherein they give you the utility which is right after this, but they just give a small small space. After that, utility is more or less open. So this is a parallel kitchen which was given. The builder had given a black granite. We have changed it to white quartz. So this is quartz. Quartz typically is, so granite is basically around 90-92% quartz. That is where it gets its hardness from. Quartz obviously is 100%, so it's far harder, little more expensive, but it lasts longer and looks much better. So depending on the selections that you're making. Now, what I was talking about, the laminates that they have selected. So this is all laminate finish. There's nothing great in that if you just think about it. But these laminates are taken from Royal Touch. Okay. Now the customer wanted acrylic. Now, so when we asked them why are they looking for acrylics, they said that they want acrylics because they look better. That's, of course, that's a feedback which a lot of people give, that they think that acrylics look better and all, but in fact that may not be the case. So we suggested that you can go for Royal Touch, which is price wise a little lesser than acrylics, quality wise I would say far better, in case that's what you're looking for. So this is one evidence. This entire house has been done in only Royal Touch laminates outside. So this is a Crystal Series Royal Touch. It's obviously, as you can see, it's very glossy. You can actually see my reflection in this. So this is a very glossy laminate. This is an amazing laminate, and the finish obviously has been done completely in factory. Okay. Now these are the top. There's a loft above. Now the kitchen has been done with the mindset that after 3 years they don't want to make much changes in the kitchen, because if they want to change the kitchen after 3 years, it probably will get a little costly. So they decided to spend everything in the kitchen whichever they wanted to. So for that reason, we gave them, a couple of wicker baskets. So these are wicker baskets. Okay, so these are typically used to, keep your potatoes, onions, etc. Then of course you have these. These are called tandems. Like, I'm sure you understand this. These are called tandems, and this is a bottle pull-out. On the opposite side, we have the sink. This is the space which has been left open for for your RO purifier. They wanted a special space for the oven, and the power point was not given on this side anywhere except for one point there which they wanted separately. So there was a power point here. So for that reason, we have given the oven here with that power point. Okay, so this is the space for the oven. There's some extra storage space which has been given here. Okay, this is just an extra storage space because it would have looked very odd, that's all. This is a space for the washing machine. Again, we had the option of shifting the washing machine towards this side, but unfortunately all the plumbing points have been given on this side. So if we wanted to move it, we would have basically had to break all these tiles and all, which of course would have been a little cumbersome. This is the granite which originally the builder had given everywhere else also. And this is a pantry unit. So a pantry unit typically, a lot of people ask, it's a little expensive and all. So the reason why it's expensive is because what is inside. Okay, so this complete fitting inside, if you can see, okay, so once you open the door, this entire fitting comes out and moves in, right? Now just imagine the kind of things you can keep inside this. So while you may have a very simple kitchen, a small kitchen, okay, the kind of things which you can keep inside this pantry unit is amazing. and it has a good weight carrying capacity. These are very hard, and these baskets, as you can see, because of these grooves here, these baskets can be moved up and down pretty easily. Just take it out and move it up or down. The same thing on there also. So in case you have some bigger things to keep, you have some smaller things to keep, accordingly you can arrange these baskets as well. So this is a very simple typical pantry unit, which in case you have a small kitchen but you have a space, I would really recommend to have it. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it. From the kitchen, we will move to the master bedroom. Okay, this is the master bedroom. It's a lovely balcony outside, which is overlooking another property from Prestige, which is coming up. And this was more of a walk-in space which was given. Okay, now they wanted some extra wardrobes and all here. So this is a sliding wardrobe. Okay, we have given this extra handle here, like completely profile handle kind of a thing. This is Hetic top line sliding channel. Now this is a little expensive and we charge separately for this. The reason why we put this is because it is strong. Okay, because it is strong, because it is smooth. Okay, so it actually makes, so this is a huge wardrobe. Okay, and this is going to last. Again, this laminate is also from Crystal series, Royal Touch. If you can probably see it a little closer, you will make out that it's actually very beautiful laminate. We have shown this house to a couple of other people also once this house was completed, and everybody has been impressed by these laminates. Even I am, very frankly, very impressed by the finishes that come out with it because of the Royal Touch laminates. The handles are also specially selected by the customer. They are little different handles. That's the loft. This is the bathroom. And this is an extra wardrobe which we wanted. So we had space here. There's enough space even now for a good bed. So there's an extra wardrobe which the customer wanted. So we built them a 5-door wardrobe separately. This wardrobe, again, the handles are selected by the customer. So this is a very typical internal layout of a wardrobe. So what we normally do is we have some specific layouts. So for example, this is like, you want to hang something, you want to keep stuff inside. So everything, there's space for everything. So these kind of typical layouts are there, and then of course we make changes in those layouts based on individual requirements by the customer. Okay, now for example in this case, if you see, so they wanted one space for a tall, longer things, one hanger for a shorter one, and they wanted an extra layer. So that's what we did. So those kind of simple additions and all we do. That we take care of. We make the suggestions, we make the 2Ds according to that. So this is the master bedroom, a simple one. This is a kid's bedroom. Now again, if you follow us on Facebook and all, you might have seen this photograph when the work was going on and all. This is again from Royal Touch. Amazing laminate. Okay, so from far away it actually looks like it is denim, but it's actually very smooth. It's not cloth. Okay, so it's flat, it's plain. But the texture that comes out is actually like cloth. So this is again a simple wardrobe, 5-door with loft above and a study table next to the window. So the point of the electrical point was, I don't know, for some reason given below it, so obviously we got the point up, and accordingly the entire wood window and everything has been made. So this is the children's bedroom. Again a simple layout. The other beds and everything else in the bedroom will be done once the client himself is planning to move in. The curtain rods and all have been done according to the requirements. This is the common bathroom, wherein we just built a simple storage with mirror on top. There's nothing else in it. It's a simple bathroom, nothing else. Now we'll go to the third bedroom, which is the guest bedroom. So this is again Royal Touch laminates. This is again very different color, very different layout, very different look, and again a simple 5-door, nothing much in it. But the quality of laminates is amazing. That I keep focusing on. They are a little more expensive, yes. So how we charge for these expensive laminates is that we, if we've taken a certain rate, and that rate, let's say, takes care of a 1,000 rupee sheet of a laminate, and this laminate, let's say, costs 1,500. Okay, so there's a 500 rupees difference, and this entire wardrobe, let's say, assume we need 4 sheets of such laminate. Okay, so 500 difference multiplied by 4, which is rupees 2,000. So you will basically end up paying rupees 2000 extra for this entire wardrobe made with Royal Touch and nothing else. Everything else remains the same. So this is 3 BHK in Prestige Bangalore. I hope you like this, and please get in touch with us for any requirements. This entire work basically we finished off from start to end after the design was completed in around a month's time, and that is typically the time that we usually take for any factory finish work. Please get in touch with us for any of your requirements. Take care. Thank you. This is Nishant from Simply Interiors.